Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube outro on the VistaCreate application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, and in the animated design section you can find the YouTube outro next to the YouTube intro button. And here just select a template and new, click to the use this template button. If you want to add images from your to your project, click to the photos button at the lower left corner of the screen, and here you can search photos or upload images from your device. If you want to add the text to your project, click to the text button, write your text, and you can select font type, and you can edit the size of your text. In the object section you can find different objects. For example, select one, you can move and you can edit the size. In the animation section you can find different animation. For example, just select one and you can edit to your you can add your project, and you can edit the size, and you can move. In the video section you can add videos to your project, and the music section you can find different music. For example, click to the summer button, and if you want to add the music, click to the plus icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.